silver-crested cockatoo stands guard at the entry of the forest today. A barking dog caused it to bring up its beautiful yellow crest and call out a warning to its friends. We can see that peace returns quickly though, as the crest flattens down again. As you can see, it's still wet from yet another big rain event here in southeast Queensland. It is a very wet year indeed. But it's not raining now, so a good opportunity to explore the bush. I expect the birds will come out to celebrate a break in the rain as well. We can already hear their excited chatter in the background. There's a rainbow lorikeet, having a tentative look around. Take a close look at the vegetation to see this pretty little grass lily and these yellow rush lilies. The sun is even coming out now. It's beautiful, and I can't believe there is no other human being in sight here today. It's good for us, because we have a better chance of seeing birds when they're not disturbed by other people. Like this Pacific basa. This hawk is recognized by its prominent crest. And in this shot, we can clearly see the barred chest and abdomen and get a glimpse of the bright yellow eye. It's quite a beautiful bird. I've only seen Pacific basa a handful of times through the years, so this was pretty exciting. I'm curious what else we might find when we get closer to the water. Ah, little black cormorants. They are never far from water. When they're not in the water, you may find them either perching in the trees or on the rocks, like these ones here. This one is getting ready for a swim. Cormorants are excellent swimmers. They catch the fish they eat by diving under the water, like you can see these two doing here. Follow this one for a while. Good catch. Another one, and another one. Isn't it amazing how this bird catches fish after fish and swallows them whole, just like that? How lucky are we to get such a good look at it? Time for a rest now. Do you notice the turtle behind there? It's a Brisbane River turtle. And there are more turtles here as well. I love how they're lining up like that. It looks like the whole bunch has had their fill now. They sit like that with their wings spread wide open after a swim, so that they can fully dry. It's quite a stunning sight, don't you think? And look over there, a mob of eastern grey egrets. This is the tallest of all the different species of white egrets in Australia. They have a good lookout over their surroundings up there. And obviously, there is something to see. Now let's enjoy the beautiful reflections of the clouds in the water of the lake for a moment. I can't think of a better way to end our walk today. If you enjoyed this walk, subscribe to my channel for more and let me know in the comments what you enjoyed the most today. I'd love to hear from you and hope to see you again on the next walk.